Good morning. Volume of other shapes. How we can find out volume of other shapes? Look at the marble shown alongside. Can you find its volume by filling in the centimeter cubes? Can you find out volume of this marble? How can we find out this volume of this marble? First, we will take a measuring glass. This is a measuring glass. Here some measuring numbers are given. 50 ml. If level is still here, it means water in the glass is 50 ml. Here in water is still 100 ml. It means water level in this measuring glass is 100 ml, 150 ml, 200 ml, 250 ml. Water in this measuring glass is 100 ml. If we put this marble into this glass, the level of water raise. देखो यहाँ पर 100 ml तक था. Now level of water raise. It is still 200 ml. It means water level raise from 100 ml to 200 ml. So how much level of water raised? If we subtract, it means 100 ml level raised. The water level in the measuring glass rises by 100 ml. So, but this is in milliliter. We have to find out volume of this marble. So, you know 1 ml is equal to 1 cubic centimeter. 1 milliliter जो होता है बेटा वो 1 cubic centimeter के equal होता है. तो 100 ml will be equal to 100 cubic centimeter. So, it means volume of this marble is 100 cubic centimeter. 100 cubic centimeter. Exercise 9.9. Question A. Some objects are dropped in a measuring glass with 100 ml of water. Find the volume of each object. Some objects are dropped in a measuring glass with 100 ml of water. There was some water in measuring glass that was 100 ml. If we put potato in this measuring glass, the level of water rises. How much? 150 ml. पहले 100 ml था water. जब हमने पोटैटो इसके अंदर डाला तो इसका लेवल कितना रेज हो गया? 150 ml. तो हाउ मच लेवल रेज? 150 माइनस 100, 50 ml. 50 ml means 50. The volume of this potato is 50 cubic centimeter. When we put one pear in this measuring glass, first level was 100 ml. When we put it, level rises till 200 ml. So 200 ml minus 100 ml, it means level rises 100 ml. The volume of this pear will be 100 cubic centimeter because 1 ml is equal to 1 cubic centimeter. So 100 ml is equal to 100 cubic centimeter. When you put one piece of coal in a measuring glass, first level was 100 ml. Now the level raises till 250 ml. So how much level raises? 250 minus 100, it means 150 ml. Volume of this coal will be 150 cubic सेंटीमीटर. बेटा पहले इसके अंदर 100 ml था. जब हम इसके अंदर कुछ भी चीज़ डालते हैं तो लेवल रेज हो जाता है. जितना लेवल रेज होगा सब्ट्रैक्ट करके उतना ही क्या होगा उसका वॉल्यूम. अब इस कोल का वॉल्यूम होगा 150 ml में नहीं बताना, टू टेल इनटू क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर. क्वेश्चन बी. By how many ml will be the water level rise if objects with the following volumes are dropped in the measuring glass? 15 cubic centimeter means level will raise 15 ml. Level will raise 25 ml. अगर कोई चीज़ डाल रहे हैं उसका वॉल्यूम 55 क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर है तो लेवल वाटर का लेवल कितना रेज हो जाएगा? 55 ml, 85 ml, 60 ml, 155 ml. If volume of an object is 40 cubic centimeter, तो how much level will rise? 40 ml, 70 ml, 200 ml. Okay बेटा, now do exercise 9.9.